In the ancient world, supply lines decided battles as much as swords, quietly steering empires toward fate behind the front lines. This short reveals how roads, river networks, and reliable messengers transformed a city siege into a victory won by logistics. From Roman grain flows to Persian courier networks, logistics forged alliances, kept armies marching, and dictated when engines of war could fire. The story highlights leaders who mastered provisioning, turning famine into leverage and turning geographic obstacles into strategic channels. By tracing these hidden pivots, the video shows that war forever hinged on the quiet art of moving supplies.